up, guys? It is your girl back with another makeup tutorial. For today's tutorial, I will be recreating this look right here. If you guys don't know by the title down below, up top, down below, wherever you guys see it, I will be recreating the Jordyn Woods makeup look. She did do a flawless dewy makeup look for the Red Table Talk interview that she had. Literally, it feels like a while back. It feels like I'm like hella late. Hello. Where you been, Jody? Hello. So this is the look that I came up with. I feel like I did hella good. I feel like this is my thing. This is my kind of makeup look. And of course I needed to recreate it. I need to put my own little spin to it. So this is what I decided to do. Her makeup was flawless. Her skincare is probably on point. It was looking so good. So I wanted to go ahead and just recreate it for you guys. I'm not going to sit here and bash the girl. I'm not going to sit here. We're not going to be talking. No juicy gossip. That's not what this channel is about. I just wanted to go ahead and just recreate, put my own spin to it. And this is what I came up with. I kind of noticed that it's kind of like drugstore spin Jordyn Woods makeup tutorial. Booyah. If you guys want to see how I get this look right here, then vámonos, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, I might be a little late jumping on this bandwagon, but I did want to create or recreate this Jordyn Woods makeup look. Her makeup was flawless. She was beautiful. I'm not going to sit here and bash the girl. We're talking about makeup. And if I'm sitting here and I'm recreating it, it's because, girl, you are looking hella good. So, here we go. Right, so we're gonna start off with the Baby Skin by Maybelline. Reason why we're doing this is because I swear she had like no pores. Where were your pores, Jordyn? Hello, skincare, please come through. Tell us all your skincare secrets. Cause you know, like, hello, look, like, what's happening here? I just turned 30. Things are happening here. I guess my skin, or maybe me, we're just not too happy with each other, or we might be on a breakup. So Jordyn girl, if you want to tell us all about your skincare routine, I promise you we will be so happy with you, because your skin was looking hella beautiful. I swear, I was like, pores where, fine lines where. And you drink a lot of water? Do you? Because I bet you do. So when I wear the Instant Pore Eraser by Maybelline, I find it that if I put it anywhere else that it's not basically my T-zone, my makeup separates. Does that happen to anyone else? Or that's basically where you're only supposed to put it? Because, I mean, I don't know. It does this thing where my makeup separates, and I do want to kind of like, you know, erase some of this thing that's happening over here. I have like some darkness happening right here. I gotta start doing something new with my skincare because I don't know, I'm getting old and my skin's not liking me. I'm like, that separates, let's just put it on the T-zone, all over the face. Okay, so to prime the face, on top of priming the face and erasing the pores, because you know we want flawless skin like Jordyn Woods, boom, we are going to go in with the NYX Dewy Mist. I love this. It's going to give me all that dewiness that we want. Glowy, dewy, shiny, beautiful, wet skin. We are actually going to go in with the L'Oreal Infallible. This is a 24-hour foundation. I'm in the shade 203 Nude Beige. I kind of got a little bit of a tan. Not the actual tan I usually get when I'm on vacation. I'm a little upset at myself because of that. But it is what it is. I am going to take that with this little buffer brush. I'm going to shake that really well. Now her face looked like skin. It looked like she didn't try too hard. It looked like she didn't have any makeup on. It looked like she woke up like that, okay? This is how I wake up. I don't have too much of a flawless skin like she does. So we're going to try to wake up like her. So let's go ahead and we're gonna go in with just a tiny bit. I'm gonna try to do kind of like color correcting, spottifying. Just go with me, okay guys? Just go with it. All right, so do a little bit of this. Boom. Sometimes I have to constantly look at the camera. Because my camera just sometimes, it just stops filming me. So, kind of want to do some of that, some of that, some of this. Ooh. There's not my shade. Somebody gotta go and get some new foundations. So, we're just going to, like Casper the Friendly Ghost. So we're just going to blend that. So to fix this paleness situation, because this is just not working out. This is just not happening right now. I'm going in with this ColourPop concealer, which is actually nice and dark. This is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. This is in the shade medium 26. Gonna go back in with that same exact brush. You see how much darker that is? So we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing. All right, we're gonna go in and contour with the Maybelline. This is actually a concealer. This is in the shade Cafe. And the reason why I'm doing that is because, like I said, her skin just looked like skin. Like everything just looked very flawless. It didn't look like she had on too much makeup. Woo! I don't know why I don't do this more often. That is bomb! Yes! Look at that. Look at me go! Ooh. I am living for this. I'm actually not going to set this, this contour. I'm not going to set it. I'm just going to let it live. But her contour was very much, it wasn't chiseled, but you can see that her cheeks were like, you know, like very J-Lo. I'm not gonna say it, but very like Kim Kardashian-esque. Bada bing, bada boom. Ha! Guys saw what I did there. Okay. I do have to set my under eyes because they crease like a mother. So we are going to set the under eyes, and then we're also going to kind of set a little bit along the bottom of my cheeks to make my cheeks look, you know, more arriba. We are no amateurs over here, children. No, 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 no. Grabbing the smallest amount of product. Here we go. And then also setting the eyes. Setting the sides of the nose too. It's definitely easier when you have more of a precise brush, or even if you have like a beauty blender or any type of sponge. You don't have to like have an actual beauty blender. It looks like Jordyn has natural, thick, fluttery, beautiful, furry eyebrows. Yo no. I have like 2 freaking pelitos, okay? Like, I ain't got no eyebrows. These eyebrows, they're drawn on, baby. Like, they're like puro fake. Going in with this Morphe M165 brush, taking my MAC brown down eyeshadow. That is what I use to always fill in my eyebrows. I am going to try to do this as natural as possible. These are my natural eyebrows everyday look. So I just want to fill it in very naturally as I can. Because to me, what she probably did, she probably filled it in with like a brow wiz. And she just feathered it in. Yeah. So, alright. Dusting this off. Dusting this off too. Okay, so I don't have a cream blush, so I am opting for this one by Milani. This is Coral Cove in the number 5. Using the same brush, just taking some of that. It doesn't look like she had too much blush, but if she did have some, it probably was just the tiniest smidge of like a coral one. So taking that on the apples of my cheeks, very also lightly as so. Dusting off the excess and just applying some of that like this. I like to always blend my blush with the contour just to make it look very seamless. Okay, now for the eyes, I did notice she did have just a tiny bit of eyeshadow. Now what I'm thinking that what she did was she grabbed a little bit of bronzer and she on her eyes. Now what I actually want to do is, instead of going in with the actual bronzer, because like I said, it just looks, everything looked very airbrush. So what I'm actually going to do, this is the first time I'm actually going to do this, is I am going to go in with I'm going to go in with Cafe by Maybelline, and I'm going to tap that in the back of my hand, right? I'm going to grab some of that, tap that in the back of my hand, and with a fluffy brush, this is by Morphe, this is the B13, I'm going to grab some of that. Actually, no, I'm going to grab it with this brush right here. I'm going to grab a little bit of that, and then I am going to go ahead and just put that on my crease. We're basically like all creamed out right about now. That is all right. We're creamed out. So what is missing is a nice highlight. I didn't see her with like a booming highlight, but I do want to go ahead and beam boom this look. We are going to go in with the Anastasia. This is the Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit. We are going to take the Glow Better one, which is this one right here, the middle shade. I'm going to take it with this big Morphe M495 brush. I'll see. Like that. I like to go here too. We're going right here. We're going right here. And a little bit on the nose too. I don't think she had some on her Cupid's bow. I usually go on the Cupid's bow, but for today we're not going to do that. Going back in with my brushes because I always like to blend everything. So we're blending. For the eyelids, I want to give myself a little bit of a shimmer, so I'm going to go in with the Ritz Super Shock eyeshadow. Now for the mascara, we're going to go in with the Revlon Dramatic Definition. I think I'm running out. It feels a little dry. I mean, when I'm opening it, it feels dry. Now for the lip part, I'm just going to go in and line them, and then I'm going to go in with my Carmex because for some reason I cannot find my lip gloss. Alright, so they are lined, and now we're going to go in with the Carmex to make them nice and shiny. Because her lips were so shiny the whole time. I mean, I don't know if they had like breaks or something and she like reapplied, but girl, your lips were shiny the whole time. So this is it, guys, and this is my version of the Jordyn Woods Red Table Talk interview makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so every time your girl uploads, you guys are notified. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. God, I still have that damn awful cough.